In this video, I will guide you through how to send large files over internet for free. Email and WhatsApp attachments have limits. If you need to send large files, here is how you can do it. First method that I use is WeTransfer. WeTransfer does not need you to register for an account. It allows 2 GB of data transfer for free. Go to WeTransfer website, agree to terms. If the prompt appears, upload files or folders. Drop the file or folder like this. Type recipient's email address and your email address. Give it a title. Type the message. Hit transfer button. Or click options icon. Select get transfer link. If you do not want to send it via email, go back by clicking options icon button. Upload multiple files if you have to. Click and get a link. It will generate a link that we can copy, and now we can share this link anywhere. This is how the recipient will see the attachment and he will be able to download it. But if you choose send email transfer, type recipient's email, your email, and click transfer button. Email will be sent to recipient that will contain the link to download these files. Another website is TransferNow, transfernow.net. It allows 5 GB of free file transfer. Procedure is the same. Click start button and upload files or drag and drop file. If you want to send via email, provide your email address, recipient's email address, type subject and message if you want to. Click transfer. Or if you want to generate the link, click this tab, create a link, provide your email address and click transfer button. Google Drive is another way to share large files with anybody. It allows 15 GB of data transfer for free. To use Google Drive, you must be logged in via Google. Go to your Google Drive, drag and drop files here, or you can create new folder. Go inside folder, drag and drop files here. Click these 3 dots for more options. Click share. Now right now it is restricted. You can add people or groups, their emails, to share these files with those people. But from here, change the option to anyone with a link and then click at this button, copy link. Then anyone with this link will be able to view this file. Although you can change his role. After you copy this link, you can share this link with anybody online and he will be able to view it or download it. So this is how you can send large files over internet for free. Which method do you use? Let us know in comments. Okay, if this video helped you, please leave a like. To watch similar videos, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon to receive update notification, and I will see you in the next video.